Welcome back to GeoKloud Consulting. In our today's series, we will be looking at NDWI under the spectral indices. Basically, it's an index of salinity of water body exploiting water strong near-infrared absorption relative to the reflectance in the green band, which makes our bands to be used, the green and near-infrared accordingly. We'll be working with the Landsat 8 for this tutorial, which will be band 3 and band 5 for the purpose of what we're doing. Let's quickly get straight into it, not to waste time. Band 3 minus, minus band 5, bracket close divided by bracket open, band 3 plus band 5, bracket close, and the DWI, run. So it's that simple. Once it's done, it gives us our result. We can take a look at the white shades of the pixels are areas with water body, and the darker shades are places with no sign of water body at all. Hope I was able to assist you to get through whichever analysis hiccup you may have had. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. As always, happy mapping. Cheers.